Hey, you're watching Vinyl 4 Miles, your best resource for music, audio gear, and vinyl reviews. Today we're checking out a piece of audio gear to make your work from home life even easier. Stick around. Hey, if you're a subscriber, thanks so much for the support and welcome back. If you're new here, what we do on this channel is audio gear reviews, vinyl reviews, anything to do with music, I'm on it. Anything to do with audio, I'm about to nerd out, you know it. So today we're checking out something called Halo, which is a speakerphone system that connects via USB-C to capture all of your audio and conferencing needs. It also doubles as a docking station, power, does 4K pass-through, pretty much does everything you can think of as a hub for your computer. If you watched my video about a year ago, which you can go ahead and check it out up here, my tips for being productive working from home, you'll know that I've been working from home for pretty much the past 2 years. I've been adjusting, I've been trying different audio sources to have my conference calls. I do about 3 to 6 Zoom calls a day with my job. So my full-time day job, I am a web development manager. I am on the phone, I am on Zoom calls constantly trying to manage different aspects of the website for the company I work for. So having good audio really makes a difference with my productivity. People over at WyreStorm, which is a tech company specializing in all kinds of different interfaces for your computer, reached out to me and wondered if I was interested in checking out their speakerphone USB-C system. Of course, I said, hell yes I am, send it over. And I've been using this for the past week and I have some really good feedback for that company. Why don't we go ahead and dive in to this Halo USB-C speakerphone USB dock hub for your computer, whatever you want to call it. I have it right here and I thought why not just do an unboxing, go over the features, and then I'm gonna give you some live demos, some audio cuts so you can see how it sounds for yourself. First thing you'll notice is the cool Halo logo. Gives me a little nostalgia back to the old Halo days on Xbox. I used to play that game all the time. There's really nothing too fancy. This is frustration-free packaging, if you want to call it that. All you're gonna do is pull the tab on the bottom. It opens up. I'm happy to say there is no plastic at all with the packaging on here, so it is eco-friendly. First thing we have in here is the speakerphone itself. This opens up, and you get a really thick USB-C cable. Nice, does not look cheap at all. Aside from that, you will see a QR code here. If you want to read the instructions, stick your phone up to the screen now and scan that QR code. All right. So here we have it, the Halo speakerphone USB system. Now, first impressions when I open this up, it seems very high quality. The speaker on top has some really cool cutouts, creates this little design. There is a mute button, a volume up, volume down, all touch controls. There is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inputs and outputs on this thing. So you are not going to be short USB inputs on your computer when you plug this in. That's the cool thing about this intercom speakerphone system. You're not gonna sacrifice a USB slot because this will pass it through and you can use this to charge your phone. You can use it to put a solid state hard drive on here if you wanna use it on your computer. There's all kinds of options with this, and there's even a 4K HDMI pass-through on here. So if you want to come out of your computer into here and go straight into an HDMI screen or 4K display at work, it will do that. Pretty cool. So there are several microphones on this device. We have 4 microphones to my knowledge that has omnidirectional sound. So if you have more than one person in the room, it is going to pick up everybody on that conference call. So first thing we're gonna do is connect it via USB-C. I am using a MacBook Pro here. So what I'm doing is just gonna plug directly into here. All right, so it looks like I'm connected. These blue lights will start blinking when it starts picking up your voice. There we go, cool. So I'm connected now. If you press the mute button, everything turns red. The line's now muted. You have your volume up, your volume down. And what we're gonna do is place this right in front of me so I can hear, and also the microphone can pick me up fairly well. I'm gonna go to my audio dock here, and I can see that with a Mac, the driver was automatically installed, and I can see WyreStorm Halo 90 under my audio settings. If I were to go to sound preferences, I can see it here, WyreStorm Halo 90, and it shows up as a USB interface device. So the first thing I can do to show, the viewer how loud this can get is I'm gonna play some music here. So it definitely is loud. That's full volume right here. That's at 3. So there's these little LEDs that light up, so that's at 3. So I mean, this thing is not gonna replace your multimedia speakers or your music speakers for sure. I mean, it does the job. You can hear the audio. It sounds decent. It's lacking bass, obviously. This is more of an intercom, like conference call system. It's not meant to be blasting music, but it does get loud enough to like watch YouTube videos or watch tutorials. If you have a call at work or you're doing training at work, this can definitely replace any kind of speaker you're using not for music. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and launch a Zoom call, and I'm gonna record it and show you so you can hear what the audio sounds like. Let's just pretend I'm on a Zoom call. This is what the audio sounds like. I'm speaking directly in front of the speaker intercom interface, so you can see how it picks up the audio of my voice talking directly in front of it. I'm gonna move around a little bit now so you can hear how the audio sounds from different areas. I'm gonna go ahead and scoot back here. This is what the audio sounds like scooted to the left of the speaker. So hello, test 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go ahead and get up and move over here. This is what the audio sounds like if you had somebody in the back of a conference room, if they wanted to be picked up on the call. I'm on the right back side, about 3 feet away from the speaker. And finally, I am now about 5 feet away from the speaker on the right side. And hopefully it's still picking up my audio nice and clear. All right, so now this is the back of the speaker. I twisted it around so you can hear what the back microphone sounds like. I think it sounds great. I've had great feedback from my colleagues. I said, how did my audio sound? Was I clear? They said, yes, there was no feedback. You're crystal clear. No issues at all. Sounds just as good as when you're using your earpods or your headset. So I'm gonna go ahead and end my Zoom call. So there you have it. This is the Halo speaker USB-C dock, intercom, whatever you want to call it. It pretty much does everything. Does your audio, works as a power source or a power pass-through for your MacBook, does 4K crystal clear visuals if you want to connect this to your display. 4 microphones on there, superb clarity when it comes to listening to your voice on conference calls. A decent speaker, again, not gonna replace your whole home audio or your office audio if you're into music. It's a little subpar for music, but perfect for calls. This will definitely give you the hands-free, ears-free, freedom when you're on a call, and you're not gonna lose any USB ports or power capabilities on your laptop when you use this. If you want to check it out, I'm going to put the link below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and check out some of my other videos and give a subscribe. It's always appreciated. Until next time, I am Michael. Thanks for checking out this video. Have a great one.